Yo, we got something special inside this box, bruh. And I must say, bruh, these joints right here cold, man. Let's get into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already seen the thumbnail. Y'all seen the title. You know we got some early and much anticipated Jordan releases in today, bro. I think a lot of people will definitely like this sneaker. I think it's something that's definitely gonna creep up on people and then just sell out instantly just because of the craftsmanship, the quality, the colorway is classic, bro. It's a super classic, instant classic, and I can't wait till you guys to check them out. And let me know down below in the comment section what you are eyeing in the next couple of weeks. I know everybody's talking about this shock drop over the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagined, and hopefully it happens soon. But Nike is real hush hush on this shock drop, man. So if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge thumbs up on today's video. Hit that like button, man. It's free. It helps the channel, and it really shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. It motivates your boy a little bit more, man. So let's get this video up to 500 likes, bro. I know we can do it. 500 likes is super, super easy. And like I said, we got a couple more early looks for you guys lined up. Y'all keep that like button rolling. Y'all keep them likes up. I'm gonna keep dropping them back to back to back for the Vintage Squad. All right, man. So you guys see it, bro. You guys see it all over white box with some little bit of hits of gray, little hits of graphite in that joint. And something that's super dope about this box right here, you have kind of like that Jumpman and Nike Air merged together, like something similar we've seen on the past Air Jordan 3, which I regret selling, but I got these now, so I feel like I'm good. So let's go ahead and read the official colorway size tag, and this is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Craft Ivory, Gray Mist, and Cream, bro. You got that gray mist in there, bro. Look at that official size tag colorway. And lately, I've been going up with a size in all of my, Jordan releases, except for Jordan 1, Scope 9.5. I feel like that fits perfect, and I recommend you guys do the same thing. 4 of you know if you will be coming soon, but let's go ahead and check them out, bro. I said stop talking, show the kicks, and let's go ahead and get into them, bro. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. There we have them, bro. We have the Air Jordan 3 White Ivory.
I keep it all the way real. I'm in control of my feels. You see my highlights and study my reel. Yeah. I'm showing more love this year. Running more plays, finna scale up my business this year. The world in my palm, I'm a star. I deliver my cadence. I'm serving up cheers to my peers. Bringing the bread for the fans.
Now, if this joint don't scream heat, classic, fire, all in the same sentence, man, I don't know what y'all are eyeing this year, but these things right here are super clean to me for some reason. And as soon as the homie drama the manager said, hey, I got your size, I said, bro, go ahead and send them this way. I had to have these in the collection. This ain't just for review purposes. This is for your boy collection as well. So let's go ahead and pull both of the sneakers out of the box real quick. I usually have my table up here, so I'm gonna have to wing it real quick. But you do have your little quality control sticker, whatever this sticker is inside of here. And you also have a little date over here on the side of the box. So you guys know this thing legit, bro. Legit official tissue Air Jordan 3 White Ivories straight from Jordan Brand, man. So here you have it, bro. I'm loving them, man. Just all first looks, and they kind of give you kind of like an off-white vibe, a little bit of the off-white vibe with the sale hits. And just imagine if they would have threw that off-white branding on these sneakers right here, people would have went crazy doing backflip, cartwheels, all types of stuff for these White Ivory Air Jordan 3s right here, because they do look very, very similar to the Air Jordan 4 sale women's exclusive off-whites that we did get. But check out the tongue, bro. You guys see the tongue right there? You have your different like Jumpmans on the tongue. You got one in that kind of grayish look or that sail looking color on the tongue right here. Like I told y'all, the thing that kind of sold me on this sneaker right here is the back tab, the heel tabs on these sneakers. So you guys see you have the Jumpman on the back, and you also have the Nike Air translucent behind that thing. I thought that was super dope. And we did get a pair of Air Jordan 3s like this recently. It was the denim 3s. I had the US exclusive and I had the Tokyo exclusive. I sold both those pairs and I downsized my collection, but something I definitely want to reach back out and get. So I thought that was super dope to have Nike Air back there in that Tokyo or Japan letter and whatever it is. Thought that was dope. But they followed up this year in 2024 with a nice Jordan 3, bro. They went crazy with this one right here. I know a lot of people are going to be eyeing this colorway. Do not sleep on this one, bro. Definitely feel like this is something that's more gonna be on the limited side of things due to the fact that they hit it with some nice leather quality, did it with some dope outsoles. Like this shoe just screams sell out, man. So if you are eyeing it, I definitely would not sleep, bruh. Don't be like me, bruh. Don't be like, I think they're gonna sit. Like I've been saying, some of the other releases have been sitting recently, but these right here releasing February 3rd. I don't think it's gonna sit at all. So I'm over here eyeing the Air Jordan 5 Off-Whites right here, the Cell colorway. They're kind of giving you the same type of vibe as far as the translucent hits, the different, you know, variations of color they got on here, Cell, the white, the off-white, all types of stuff literally mashed up in one sneaker. And it happens to be one of my favorite silhouettes, being the Air Jordan 3, something that's been growing on me super heavy lately. It started off with the 1s and then the 3s. And I feel like lately, bruh, the 4s have been growing on me like crazy as well, man. So you guys let me know how you feel about it, bruh. Jordan 3 White Ivories releasing February the 3rd. I think this is the first Jordan release to drop in February. If I'm not mistaken, they might push it back. Hopefully they do not, but I'm hearing that's only like 250 some thousand pairs of the White Ivory 3s. I'm gonna have to, you know, fact check that one. I'm gonna put fact down here. I'm gonna put false, but that is something I have been seeing circulating over on Twitter and a couple blogs over on IG, man. I gotta give you guys some more little 360 hits of these right here, bro, because I love them, man. Your boy the Vintage is all over this release right here, bro. You can't go wrong with it, bro. You cannot go wrong with it. It's a predominantly white sneaker. You got the off-white hits, you got the Cell hits. You can rock this with literally everything, making it a super versatile Air Jordan sneaker. And I'm telling y'all, bro, people are gonna go crazy for these joints right here. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Don't say your boy the Vintage ain't tell you so. Man, I had to go back there and grab the White Cement Reimagined that dropped last year. They gave us that, you know, Cell off-white hit on the heel tab, and even followed up with this year's release of the White Ivories. And I don't know where they came up with this theme from. I never seen a Ivory Jordan, any silhouette, but I feel like they killed it with the Jordan 3 model, with the Jordan 3 silhouette, man. And I don't think I touched on it enough, bro. I don't think I touched on it enough. The outsoles on these sneakers right here kind of give you that translucent hit, more on that, I guess, ivory side of things, with the gray Jordan and the pod near the front, bro. So you got the gray hits on the outsole, got the gray hits piping around the toe box, you even get it on the heel of the sneaker, bro, making this super nice, super versatile. I'm loving it. You guys go ahead and comment down below. Let me know how you feeling about the White Ivory Air Jordan 3s coming very soon near you. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Your boy was super excited just due to the fact that I feel like this is it's gonna be one of them ones, bro. It's definitely gonna be one of them ones people sleep on. They gonna sell out, and then like people like, oh, why didn't I get them? Why didn't I cop them? Almost similar to like a Black Cat Air Jordan 4 situation a couple years ago, when they were literally sitting everywhere in the mall. People were passing up on them, and then look at the resale price of the Black Cat 4s. Now people are regretting passing them joints. So I feel like this is something similar is gonna happen. I ain't trying to hype it up no more than what they already are, but I'm really loving them, bro. Can't wait to get some fits out of these. 4-view and on feet will be coming very, very soon for these White Ivory joints. So stick around, stay tuned. If you ain't subscribed already, by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in. More content will be rolling in shortly. So with all this being said, man, your boy the Vintage is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.